ironic. I'm smoking chronic. Pop 'em on my vomit. Move quick like I'm Sonic.
Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like Toliver on the JACKBOYS2 album in a song called No Comments. And if you guys haven't seen my last video, I just did a Playboy Cardi preset on this album, and I'm gonna have 3 other videos coming out this week on this album, so stay tuned for those. But without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys Toliver's song, No Comments.
This shit, yeah, ironic. I'm smoking chronic. Pop one more, my mommy. Move quick like I'm Sonic. Turn up your comments. Turn up your comments. Turn up your comments. Turn up your comments.
So that was Toliver on the No Comments song on the JACKBOYS2 album. And now, as always, I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals. And please don't bully me in the comments, because this one is gonna be rough. There is a lot of layers going on, so this is gonna sound terrible.
This shit hit ironic. I'm smoking chronic. Pop 'em on my vomit. Move quick like I'm Sonic. Turn off your comments.
So yeah, that's what the raw vocals sound like. Let's turn on all of these presets, and this is what it sounds like.
This shit hit ironic. I'm smoking chronic. Pop 'em on my vomit. Move quick like I'm Sonic. Turn off your comments. Turn off your comments. Turn off your comments. Turn off your comments. I was just tryna get to know you, babe. Put your lights on my shoulder, babe. Come in here, cause I got more to say. You the main baby, made more today. Sold me a puss and I'm on the cake. You had me up good, better owe you, babe. Yeah, I got someone to show you, babe. You're doing too much, better punch the brakes.
So yeah, that's what those Toliver presets sound like. If you guys want these Toliver presets, they will all be completely free in the Discord. The only preset that isn't free is this master preset. And for this one, I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is on my website, BNVLNT.shop, for $10. But if you'd rather go ahead and buy this whole FLP, it'll come with the FLP you see on your screen, as well as a template ready to record in with all these presets. And it'll also come with the Best Waves master preset, as well as my Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins. And all of that will come in that FLP for $15. Or if you guys want to spend a little bit more money, I'll have a JACKBOYS2 preset pack that has the Playboy Cardi, Future, Toliver, Travis Scott, and Sofego FLPs, and I'll have that linked in the description as well. I think it's going to be $35. But if you guys just want the free presets, that's completely fine. Just go to the Discord, first link in the description, scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and then right here you can see the Toliver presets are in here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of presets, and this is where I will post all the JACKBOYS2 presets when the videos come out for those. So subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys can see when those videos come out. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is the auto-tune settings. So this song was in the key of E minor, retune speed of 2, humanize of 19. For the harmony, I did a retune speed of 5, a humanize of 7, and a natural vibrato of 4.8. And for the ad-lib, I did a retune speed of 2 and a humanize of 25. And I also did use Fresh Air, which is a free Slate Digital plugin. All you have to do is go to their website and sign up for an account and download the free plugin. I will leave that linked in the description for those of you that don't have it. One last thing I'm going to show you guys is this automation clip down here. For those of you that don't know what an automation clip is, essentially it's just turning a knob for you. So I think for this one, I just automated this right here, the main going into the reverb bus. So I just right clicked right here and click create automation clip. And then I just moved it to where the reverb turns up right here, and then it turns up a lot at the very end. If we watch this knob while this goes up, you'll see it slowly move up.
Come in here, cause I got more to say. You the main baby, made more today. Sold me a puss and I'm on the cake.
And then if you watch this automation clip at the very end, this is what it looks like.
Doing too much, better punch the brakes.
Basically it just turns the reverb up a lot so that it like kind of drowns out the vocals there at the end, because that's kind of the effect that the original song had. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. I know it was a short one, but I got plenty more of these videos coming soon. So leave a like, subscribe, and turn notifications on. And thank you guys for watching. That's been it. Peace.
Bye.